I highly, highly recommend anybody who makes income online, regardless of what it is, that you are putting money from that every month or every pay into a separate savings account to pay towards your taxes at the next tax season. I did not do that the first year I was making online income. Luckily, I didn't make a huge amount, so I only had to pay back like $1,000. Because I also have a full-time job working in an office, I had them increase my tax deductions by $100 a paycheck, which I get paid every 2 weeks, so approximately $200 a month, so that when I do my taxes, they will see, oh, she's overpaid her taxes from her regular income, and that will just help deduct money from the taxes that I'm going to owe for my business. So with my day job income plus my business income together, last year it put me at having to pay back about 30% in taxes. What I'm doing now is trying to save 30% of my business income into my taxes. It will be less than that because of my extra deductions from my paychecks, but it's much better to have more saved than less. Last year, my business income tripled from what I made the previous year, and because the previous year I had to pay back about $1,000, I didn't think about the change in tax bracket. So I had only saved $6,000 to pay my taxes for last year. I ended up owing $10,000. That was a really hard hit to take and did take me a while to pay it off. I was able to pay it off before the deadline, but I had to use all of my savings that I had, of course, as well as a huge amount of money that I had as my backup checking emergency everyday money, and that drained me. So since paying that back, money has been tight, so I highly recommend over saving than under saving. My brain didn't comprehend the fact that my incomes combine to get to choose the tax bracket instead of it being individual, if that makes sense. Long story short, we all hate paying taxes, but unfortunately it's something that we have to do. And as an entrepreneur, business owner, etc., you need to be prepared for this, and you don't want to be hit with a big tax bill. But I am working harder at saving and being more prepared for it than I was this year, because I almost threw up when she told me it was $10,000.